To delete a playlist on YouTube is pretty simple. You first have to make sure you've installed your YouTube Studio on your mobile, which has this inscription YT Studio. And after installations, make sure you've signed in with your Gmail account, which is linked with your YouTube. And after you are done with it successfully, it will redirect you to an interface like this. Proceed to navigate to the bottom and locate the content options here, and allow it a bit of moment to finish loading. And then on this interface, make sure to scroll up until you locate playlists, and beside it you have the option to tap on view all, and this will pull out all the playlists that you have on YouTube. In order for us to delete any of these playlists, all you have to do is to locate this three dot beside your playlist and tap on it, and a pop-up menu will appear with two options, whether you want to edit it or you want to delete it. In our case, if you want to delete it, you can just tap on delete, and that's it. You have successfully deleted your playlist on YouTube. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.